Today we'll see the new topic in the Salesforce. So what if I told you that you can build a complete React application and run it directly inside Salesforce? No Visual Force, no Aura, and in many scenarios, you don't even need to build your UI in LWC component. So Salesforce has introduced a powerful new capability that opens the door to modern front-end development using React. In this video, I am going to build a React application from scratch, deploy it into a Salesforce org, connect it and Salesforce data, and show how everything works behind the scene. If you are a Salesforce developer, architect, or someone learning Salesforce development in 2026, this is a feature that you absolutely need to know. So let's jump in. First, I will show you the application which I built with the help of React. So this application I have built without writing a single line of code in LWC component. Sales dashboard. So this application I have built with the help of React application. So now you can see this is the overall UI that which I built with the help of React. Now you can see this is my overall dashboard. And as well as you can see that there is the account tab. So if I click on the account tab, then you can see there are a few accounts which is showing into your application. And if I click on the opportunities, so now you can see there are a few opportunities that which is showing on the UI. If I move to the reports, so now you can see this report I have built with the help of React. Why is this important? So you can build your own solution. You can customize your solutions. For years, Salesforce Developer primarily built interface with the help of LWC component. So LWC is still recommended option for the most native Salesforce UI, but there are scenarios where React is a great fit, especially when integrating existing React applications, building rich experiences, or sharing front-end code across platforms. So if your team already knows React, these capabilities can reduce the learning curve and let you reuse modern front-end problems. So there are few prerequisites which is necessary you need to configure in your Salesforce org. So first I will go to that Salesforce org and this is my setup page. And here you just need to search React. So when you write React in the quick find box, there is a React development with Salesforce multi-framework. So here you can see this is the Salesforce app domain which is currently active. And now, after that, how we will build the React application. So I'm running this command. You can see this command will install the UI bundle into my Salesforce project. So I just enter it. And now this bundle will install into my Salesforce project. After that, once this bundle will install, that we will run the another command for doing the another configurations related to the React application. So now you can see it is working on it and it is installing the UI bundle. So we'll wait for 1 to 2 minutes. So now the bundle has installed into my Salesforce project. After that, you just need to run one command, that is SF template generate project name Reactor. So this is my name that which I want to make, but you can keep it. From this command, I will make the first React application with the name of my React project. So once this will create, then you can see inside the Salesforce project, and you can see this is a my React project. And this is the overall folder structure in React project. So what will do this command? This command will enter into this particular application which I built recently, that is a my React project. So just run this command. So from this command, I will make the bundle. So now you can see that this is a command which is helping to create a bundle. Enter. Then after that, it will take some time to generate the bundle. And now you can see there's a UI bundle. So when you click on the UI bundle, this is my React application that which is generating the bundle, which is helping to deploy your application into the Salesforce. Just run this command. For running this application before moving into the Salesforce org, into the local host. So for that, I will enter into this application. And after that, I just run one command. There's a npm install. So it will install the npm in my local system. I can run this application into my local system before moving into the Salesforce. So it will take some time. Now you can see the npm is installed into my local system. After that, I just need to run one more command, npm run that. So if I run this command, then it will run this application into my local system, so that before moving or before deploying it into the Salesforce org, we can check the data or the UI is looking correct or not. So it will run this on the local system or on the local host. So now you can see, you can check the UI on this particular link. So if I just copy that link, and when I run this link on my browser, so now you can see that this UI is built with the help of command line. Now, I just deploy this application into my Salesforce org. So for that, we need to run one more command, that is npm runs build. So just copy this command and paste this. So what this command will do? This command will make the build to deploy this application into the Salesforce. It will take some time to build this application. So now you can see it is building a build for deploying this application into the Salesforce. Make this application, we need to deploy it into my org. So as well, we just need to give my org name. When I run this command, then this application is deploying into my Salesforce org. It will take some time to deploying this application. When that application is deployed, then you can see into the Salesforce org. So now you can see that it is deploying my application into my Salesforce org. So if I scroll up, now you can see it is succeeded deployed. So this deploy ID, this is my target org, and this is the deployed source that which is deployed into my Salesforce application. So now we'll move into, just go to there and just search my React project. When I click here, now you can see this is my project that which I built. So this is actually that which I built with the help of React in Salesforce. Previously, this is not available, but now you can make it. So if I talk about the real use cases for using the React application, that you can make the CRM dashboards, you can make the admin portal as well, you can make the partner portal as well, and as well as you can make this React application internally as well as externally. So internally, React application is applicable for the users who is having the CRM access. Like this CRM access, whose users having the access, then they can access the internal application. And there is an external application. So external applications, those users can access, which is having the access of customer portal.